We're at the Ambience Hotel 603. Getting in. There's 2 elevators. Yeah, this is our last hotel that we're staying at in Taipei. Sorry, not Taipei, Taiwan. Alright, let's start off by going into the bathroom. Okay, cool. So there's a divider between the toilet and the bathroom, which is kind of nice, but I would have preferred a different room. That's fine, cool. There's a basin, there's some towels, some drinking, some cups for when you're brushing your teeth and things. There's a hairdryer there, bathtub. Here's the shower. There's just shampoo and body wash. Overhead shower and shower nozzle. Okay. It's a pretty narrow bathtub, but that's okay. Alright. Over to this side. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's some privacy there. Okay. There's a TV. There's a baby cot. There's some sort of air purifier, which is fantastic. Pencil, Wi-Fi. Cool, cool, cool. There's some couches. Let's see what's in here. Oh, no, nothing in here. Nothing in here. Oh, cool. And there's some glasses here, some bottles of water. There's a kettle, some tea options, coffee mix. What else is there? There's some chips and snacks. And there's a can of Coke and what's this? Some sort of drink. Okay, cool. Let's see what else there is. Let's open the TV. Let's see if there's cable TV. Okay. There's also a sign saying no smoking. Oh, cool. This is the view of the outside our window. Let's have a look. Let's just go straight to English. Let's see. Okay, it looks like there's 71 channels, quite a few channels, and this TV remote actually is pretty damn responsive, which is pretty good. Cool. A lot of Japanese channels, HBO's here. It's cool.